Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve medium problem, which is weekly contest. So it is like largest combination of bitwise AND operator greater than 0. So yeah, so we have to find like this AND operation of this should be greater than 0, and we have to maximize the number of items that we pick. Okay. So let's try to understand it. Okay. So here it is 2. So okay. So like we take 2. Okay. Like 2's bitwise operator is 1 0. Okay. We take 3. Bitwise operator is 1 1. So now what is the AND of this both? Okay, AND operator. So AND will be 1 comma 0. So okay. So what is the AND operator does? Like AND is 1 and 1 is equals to 1, and remaining all are 0, like 0 and 0. 0 and 0 is like 0, and 1 and 0 is 0, and 0 and 1 is also 0. So the both of digits should be 1, then only we get the positive answer. Okay, otherwise answer will be 0. So like see, so what we can do, like we can check the bits of each and every number, and we have to find the maximum bits where they have the similar bits. Okay, maximum like see here we have like what if we check 4? Okay, what will be 4? 4 will be like 100. Okay, 100. So now we check for one, like we have 32 bits. Okay, so from ending, like we check it from here. Okay, check it from here. For the zeroth bit, like for zeroth bit we have only one as a one. For second we have two as a two bits as a one. So the count of one bit is one for zeroth. For second it is one, and for last bit, like for the third bit, it is 1. So which is the maximum of all of this? That will be our answer. Okay. So let's try to solve it. So let's take the like n is equals to, let's take the number of candidates dot length, and let's take bit array. Okay, equals to, and bits array we have to take 32 bits. So array. So bit count we can say, not bit count array. Okay, we can say count of each bit. Okay, bit counts. We have to take 33 and we have to fill it with 0. Okay, so initially each bit count is 0. Now let's iterate to the okay, like candidate of candidates. Okay, okay. Now what we have to check? We have to check each and every bit. So like bit index. Initially it will be 31st. Okay, from 0 to 31. So it will be total will be 32. Okay, so it is like it is not 32, like 0 to 31. It is, so it is 32. Length is like 32, but the count is from 0 to 31. Okay, now while we are going to check, while this candidate is greater than 0, while we have processed all the index. Okay, how we are going to process, like if candidate comma and 1 is equals to 1, then this the last bit, like we are for 1 we are counting, like for and with 1 we'll always check if last bit is 1 or 0. So we are going to check like bit count comma bit index current bit index. We are going to increment it. Now we have to remove, we have checked like if it is 1 we have incremented. Now we have to remove that last bit. So what we are going to do, candidate, like okay, candidate right shift 1. Okay, so this will remove the last bit. Okay, and we have to like decrease the bit index. Now we have shifted to new bit, -1 minus bit index. So like first we are going to do 31, then 30, then 29, like this. Each bit we are going to check. Okay, okay. Now okay. Now like the answer max is going to be like, let's consider infinity, and like okay. So like we can return in JavaScript we have like maths function, array dot max, and we can iterate like dot any max from this bit array. Okay, if none exists then we are going to return 0. Okay, so let's try to run this. So max from this bit integer, okay, bit counts. So it gave 4. So this is the correct answer. So let's try to submit it. So it is accepted. Thank you guys.